Howdy, frogs. Today, you're going to practice finding the main idea of a piece of informational text. So let's remember that informational text is a text or book put together by an author to teach the reader something or to give some information. Informational texts are researched, which means that the author reads a whole bunch of books and talks to experts and records her sources. Informational texts also have text features that help the reader understand what's going on or get the information. Like they might have detailed illustrations that support the points, or they might have these captions or fun fact bubbles that we see in this text. We see a heading here. That's a text feature as well. Today, you're going to try and figure out what the main idea of just these 2 pages of the text is. The main idea is like the main point that the author wants to get across. The main idea is supported with details, and that's like the author proving their point, giving just the right information to support what they really want you to know. So today in Seesaw, you're going to see a chart that has 3 supporting details already put in it. And you're going to use those 3 pieces of evidence to try and figure out what the main idea or a key point the author is trying to get you to understand. So let's read together what Rochelle Strauss and Rosemary Woods have written on page 4 and 5. One well. Imagine for a moment that all the water on Earth came from just one well. This isn't as strange as it sounds. All water on Earth is connected, so there really is just one source of water, one global well, from which we all draw our water. Every ocean wave, every lake, stream, and underground river, every raindrop and snowflake, and every bit of ice in glaciers and polar ice caps is part of this global well. So whether you're turning on a faucet in North America, pulling water from a well in Kenya, or bathing in a river in India, it is all the same water. And because it is all connected, how we treat the water in the well will affect every species on the planet, including us, now and for years to come. Earth is the only planet that has liquid water and is therefore the only planet that can support life. The amount of water on Earth hasn't ever changed. It has been the same for billions of years. You need water, and so does every other living organism, every person, every plant, and every animal. Without water, nothing can survive. So, what is it that you think Rochelle Strauss really wants you to understand just from these 2 pages? Go into Seesaw, take a look at the 3 supporting details that I've recorded for you, and see if you can figure out what her main idea is.